Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can access older versions of your designs and projects on Canva, for example to re-edit them or to restore them. So let us get started. So let's assume you accidentally deleted changes or didn't save changes on your design or current design or project on Canva, and now you'd like to return to the edits from previous versions of your design. Guys, you may do that if you have access to a pro membership here on Canva. That's the first requirement here. So let's assume you're on that design here on Canva, and what you will need to do is click on File in the top left corner, and as previously mentioned guys, the previous version feature is only available for users with a pro membership. You will see it by that crown icon next to it, version history. So if you can access it guys, click on version history, and that is going to redirect you to that version history on the right panel. So here you will be given access to the previous versions of your current design with the current one at the top. Then you will see the other versions listed below, like 1 hour ago, 50 minutes ago, yesterday, and so on and so forth, depending on how long you've been working on the given design. So if you'd like to reinstate one of the previous designs, simply click on that small circle next to the given version, and there you go. As you can see, the previous version will be reinstated instantaneously. So you may use it, for example, keep working on it by simply clicking on restore in the top right corner. You can make a copy of it to create a completely new design using that previous version. So let me restore that previous version by clicking on restore here. And there you go. As you can see, now I've been redirected to that design here. Let me just head over to the first page of that designer presentation. And that's it. That's how you navigate through these previous versions of your Canva projects and designs. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.